In this time of a pandemic, excellent teaching is what will make the difference between learning and meaningful learning. As convener for QEC 49, it is my pleasure to introduce to you four of the excellent teachers in our QEC. Meet Garrett Gordon, Karlion Belford, Julian Austin, and Tamar Blair-Robinson.
Good day, I'm Garrett Gordon, a teacher guided by the mantra, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. What do my students say about me? They claim that I am patient, encouraging, caring, interesting, fun-loving but serious about work, exciting, a vibe master disc jockey, down to earth, one who loves God and loves them. How do I demonstrate collaboration and provide support to my colleagues? I joined their classes and gave feedback and vice versa. I worked with teachers to cater for the more vulnerable students holistically. I led sessions to train teachers on using online apps, send information and resources that are important to their work and development. And I link teachers to learning communities that supports teaching. Learning at all levels is of utmost importance.
Hola, I am Karlion Belford, an innovative teacher of Spanish. Indeed, the COVID-19 pandemic came with a scare, but with God as my guide, I seized the opportunity to share. I joined the Jamaica Teaching Council's online trainers and have helped to train hundreds of teachers across the nation. On the international level, at an OAS webinar, I presented with a team of excellent teachers on the topic Teaching STEM in Quarantine. I help students to prepare for the Spanish CSEC examination at the school, zone, and national levels. I've also created numerous resources for teaching Spanish and I've shared these with colleagues. Yes, the COVID-19 pandemic has its challenges. However, I will continue to be the tower of strength to help students and colleagues to rise above these challenges.
Active, graceful, intellectual, lively, energetic are just a few words that can be used to describe me. I am Julian Austin, an Agile teacher. To be an Agile teacher, I ensure that I understand the perpetual motion of knowledge. I take advantage of technology each day as I learn new ways of being creative and innovative for my students. I have developed an active mindset that keeps me intrigued and eager to learn new things and to share it with others. With each new day comes new changes. This quote helped me to transition from face-to-face learning to online learning. I was quick in adapting to the changes by researching new ways to stimulate the minds of my students. For example, the use of Jeopardy games, storyboards, and even parental involvement in experiments. I leave with you this quote. Success today requires the agility and the drive to constantly rethink, reinvigorate, react, and reinvent.
Hello there, everyone. I am Tamar Blair-Robinson, an innovative teacher guided by this brand, Innovative Flow. How do I make learning fun and exciting? One might ask. Let me tell you how. Well, for me, learning online is done using Google Classroom, Google Meet, and WhatsApp. And this is done both synchronously and asynchronously. I ensure that all my students are engaged and I cater to all the different learning styles. For me, learning is active and not passive because my students learn best by doing, being actively involved in the learning process. Learning should be fun, exciting, and engaging. Teachers, learning begins with you. Take charge and make learning a possibility. and use the various online tools and activities that are available to you, such as Star Falls, ThingLink, Wheels of Names, Jamboard, Slides Mania, interactive worksheets, just to name a few. When teaching and learning is fun and exciting, then you will yield great results. Take charge and make learning fun and exciting.